It's just after 10:30. I finished my trading for the day. In this video, I'm going to go over another deeper dive into the different trade opportunities from this morning. I'm going to show this amazing flow stack system from yesterday's video and show you some of the very simple, amazing setups that happened today. So now you can see the basic flow stack setup that I went over in yesterday's video. You can see the very clear directional changes from the flow stack. I'm getting these candle color and these background changes. When the delta exceeds a certain threshold on both the NQ and the ES, and also the Heikin Ashi must be in alignment across the NQ and the ES. So right out of the gate at the open, you see bearish delta coming in across the board. The flow stack is staying bearish. We came right up to this double cluster of key levels, pivot point and pre-market center. I definitely took a short off of this area. You can see up here we still have negative delta on the NQ for 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. It barely goes positive here. Flow stack is still bearish. And then on this candle, tons of negative delta coming in on the NQ and the ES. We continue to get strong negative delta across the board, closing below the 20. Very nice move to the downside. Here we get the directional change. After the close of this candle, we pop up about 40 points right to this cluster of key levels. This was the 15-minute center, one of my favorite key levels. Get a very nice rejection off of that level. Here's the next flow stack color change. Tons of negative delta coming in across the board. After the close of this candle, pop down another 35 points. Here's the next directional flow stack change. After the close of this candle, we pop up 50 points in just a few minutes. The next directional change on the flow stack was actually this candle live in real time. We popped down over 60 points from the close of this candle. And even if you waited until this candle, after the close of this candle, we popped down over 40 points. So just taking the flow stack directional changes resulted in 1, 2, 3, 4 very nice winning trades with an almost instant potential of 30 to 50 points on each move. So there's the general overview. If you want to see the exact settings for this chart, there's a link in the description to yesterday's video where I go over all of the exact settings for the MMT flow stack to track delta and Heikin Ashi across both the NQ and the ES and be able to print these delta numbers, background color, and the candle colors. And now for the rest of the video, I'm going to show you the live trade recordings. You can see on the 5-minute chart here, since the open, we were bearish on the flow stack with the candle color and the background color. Then we went bullish on the flow stack with the candle color and the background. And again, this is based off of delta and Heikin Ashi across the NQ and the ES. But today we got some very clear moves. It's also been bullish on the 1-minute chart during this nice push to the upside here. Ooh, got a washout signal here and some divergence. Rejecting off of these key levels, pushing back below. There's 10 points right away. So I got some double divergence up here. I got a washout signal. We rejected off of this cluster of key levels right around the midnight level, closed back below. No key levels in the way until the 15-minute center, which we just came down to and are getting a nice rejection off of the 15-minute center. We had bearish delta on the NQ and the ES here as well. This continued for the next 2 candles. We're continuing to get the push lower. Flow stack background went bearish. There's another 30 plus points after the close of this candle and the color change. 40 points. The basic flow stack color change is just crushing it today. We got about 3 minutes to go until 10:30. We are below the 250 SMA, so I'm going to be looking for some kind of short opportunity. Hopefully we get some kind of pullback. Starting to get some pullback here. See, we went bullish on the flow stack 1-minute chart here. After the color change, just popped up 40 points in 1 minute. It's already starting to drop off. Had some divergence here. Point of control up into the wick. Now we've got negative delta coming in across the board. Alright, I just got into my one more short right here at 10:30. We had this big candle closing below the 20. We pulled back up to the 20. I got in short here at the 20 SMA, and we dropped back down to whole number, over 15 points. I think I got around 8 points. Up 150 bucks in all the accounts. Stacking the micros on Lucid and Apex. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Lucid, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, TradeDay, thanks so much for your support. There are links to all the MMT indicators in the description. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.